Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I took this onesie and piece of cherry and turned it into this Firestarter with Inlays. The first thing we're going to do is head over to the bandsaw and cut our piece of wood in half. I wanted it to be a little bit of a wavy cut so that we see the inlay moving through the piece. Then we're going to need to cut some strips out of our baby onesie. And then we're going to use a ton of CA glue and CA glue our baby onesie strip in between the two pieces of wood. And then we're going to repeat the process using the other side of wood so we have an inlay going through both sides. Drill a hole for our Firestarter kit to go into, and then we'll head over to the lathe and turn our blank round. Once we have it round, I start working on the profile that I want for the handle itself. And we're going to drill a hole for the little strap to go into. And since at some point I'm going to take this camping or be out in the woods with it, I definitely wanted to make sure we've got a strong, durable finish, so I went with CA glue. If you guys want to see how I do a CA glue finish, watch the video that I've got linked up above. Then we're going to cut this piece off and we're going to finish up our little bottom piece so that everything is uniform and has the same finish all the way around. And then we just need to assemble everything. Sorry I didn't set up this shot right, you can't really see very well what's going on. But I just CA glued in the flint and the little ferrule, and then we get the little strap through the back with the striker, and we're all good to go. Here it is, guys, all done. I absolutely love it. Definitely a lot of camping trips to come with the little guy and this. If you guys want one of these custom made, reach out to me. If you want to see more cool stuff like this and ideas that I've got coming up, make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel.